My name is Ashwin, the developer of BlueIgnis. In this screencast, I'll explain you the features of this application. This, in short, is a social media monitoring application. So let's get started, shall we? So once you log into your login screen, you are basically allowed to create campaigns. Campaigns are nothing but just give it a name and set of keywords for which you would like to track what the people are talking about the product or the keywords that you want on the social media like Twitter, Facebook, Google Plus, etc. In this application, we will explain you the features that we have with regard to Twitter, and the Facebook and Google Plus are also included. So this what you see on the screen is one such campaign dashboard which shows you the overall tweet aggregation over the period of past 24 hours approximately, and this gives you the status of whether the campaign is being running or it's stopped, also what is the status and things like that. And yeah, this is what we call as a real-time Twitter dashboard. And this dashboard, since the campaign is now stopped and not running, you cannot see the tweets coming in real time, but generally it just come in real time, and think the dashboard just keeps updating itself dynamically. And next we have our sentiment analysis, where we classify the tweets that we get as either the positive and negative, on based on the sentiments of the people, what they talk, and things like that. And this is also a real-time dashboard, so as and when things come in, this will get updated itself automatically. And next feature with regard to a campaign is the key influences, that is the people or the users who actually influence the conversations of your particular campaign on the social media. So as you can see, this Shastra University is the name of the campaign, and these are all the certain set of users who actually talk about the campaign. And this every user is represented in a form of a node with their user handle, and the number here represents the number of tweets that they have contributed towards your campaign. And one more thing is, depending on the size of the node, as you can see, it represents the contribution factor towards a given campaign. Also, you can right click and you can export it as a PNG object, or you also have choices to export it as an XML or a GraphML, etc. So once you give export as PNG, you can just open up and you can see this is actually what you have or what you want. Okay. And first report we generate is the source of tweets, so how many people have been using what clients for tweeting. So that's how it is. And next report is the overall market reaction. This is like we just put you the overall sentiment of the people with regard to the tweets that they post about your particular campaign, particular dashboard. So let me show you how to actually create a dashboard and the real-time features of it. So let me just delete a particular campaign. This application, as you can see on this URL, it's live, and we do have quite a number of users using it. So since it's a very a closed private beta, I have limited the total number of campaigns to 2 per user, and each user can each campaign can run only for 2 hours maximum from the time in which they start. Okay, and you cannot restart the campaign also. So let's check out something which will actually work out. So let me create iPhone. So some campaign name and certain keywords separated by commas, to say these are the keywords for which I need to search Twitter for, and I say run campaign, and campaign will start momentarily. Yeah, we just do the campaigns and we process them first, or So this is a bit, since we just now started the campaign, and we don't have enough data to show any demographics as such. You will not be able to see the graph initially, but one interesting factor that you can actually identify is the Twitter dashboard thing. So I told you this is real-time things, right? So as you can see right now, as and when people start talking about anything related to Apple products, it keeps just pouring in. And these features, there are we classify campaigns as high frequency campaigns, and I mean depending on the frequency of the tweets that come in for each campaigns. And this Apple products like iPod, iPad, iPhone, and stuff like that are high frequency campaigns. As you can see, predominantly how many users are just posting it in real time. This is actually, this video is recorded in real time. It's not editor manipulated. And we only show you 100 tweets that comes in at a time, so that you don't your screen just don't run down forever. And also you'll be able to have control over the total number of tweets that you can see at any point of time. Yeah, based on this particular factor, it's been quite some time. And similarly, this sentiment dashboard, this is also real time. As and when people talk, tweets just pour in correspondingly into that particular column. And that's it. And this is the overall features that are there in the BlueIgnis. Hope you like it. Thank you for your interest in BlueIgnis.